So the next snowboarding bag is this one that we have from Tonesport. So instantly with Tonesport, there are no wheels that I can mention or see. And then with it, you have the inside bag. Actually open it up. This is where you would actually strap in your snowboard. So it does have like a strap in for your snowboard, so it doesn't slide around. Let's actually go ahead and use this bag. And then if we want to go ahead and place our boots and then a helmet. Normally helmets, I would actually carry this on my personal carry-on. So we'll see if the helmet still fits anyways, because I know some people actually like to pack their helmet within the bag as well. So this is what the bag looks like once it's packed up. And we have a front pocket as well, so you can put like miscellaneous screws or screwdrivers. This one here is more so about handling, okay? So what I mean by handling is like you have a strap here with a Velcro finish, which allows it to actually dual strap together. So you can carry the bag like that. In addition to that, you could also put this bag on your back, okay? So this could actually strap onto your back as well. So you can carry it on your shoulder just like this. And you could also use these straps as backpack straps as well. So I'd say, I mean, you can obviously see the main difference is that this one has straps and no wheels versus the other one which has straps and has wheels. Or it has no straps and has wheels. But it honestly depends, you know, if you don't plan on doing a lot of airport travel, this would honestly do well